And then the next presentation is coming from Cybrid. We have Anurag Mishra, who is Senior Manager Marketing at Cybrid. He is going to talk on tackling the TOPCon's UVID issue with Cybrid's innovative RayBo Encapsulant solution. Anurag, the floor is yours.
Thanks, Shravan. Hello, everyone. Let me share my screen. I hope I'm clear.
Yes.
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so just a second. Let me adjust this. Yeah. Hello, everyone, and thank you, TaiyangNews, for providing me this great opportunity to discuss our latest innovation for TOPCon technology. The PV industry is constantly evolving, and with the advent of TOPCon technology, solar energy is moving toward uh, greater efficiency and performance. However, TOPCon advanced structure also present new challenges, particularly in terms of environmental durability. Cybrid technology has innovated RayBo, a specialized encapsulant that meets the unique need of TOPCon module by offering superior protection against UVID, moisture, and thermal stress. In this presentation, I will show you how Cybrid RayBo encapsulant address UVID issue in TOPCon modules, significantly improving their performance and financial returns. Feel free to introduce yourself in the chat. My colleague, Mr. Stefan, is there to support and to answer your queries also. Okay, so RayBo is a light wavelength conversion film. It converts deep UV light into visible blue light that boosts energy generation. By embedding light conversion agent into materials like EVA and PUE, we turn a known challenge, UV degradation, into an opportunity to increase efficiency. Let me explain this with an example. Imagine operating solar modules in areas like where we have high UV exposure, like Rajasthan or Texas. Instead of damage, you are harnessing this light to boost your module output. The mechanism behind RayBo is quite fascinating. It works through an orbital electron transition mechanism where UV light is absorbed and transformed into visible light. This not only protects the solar module by reducing UV damage, but also contribute to energy output. Beyond the metaphor of killing two birds with one stone, this encapsulant addresses multiple industry challenges, including low degradation, durability under harsh environmental conditions, and enhancing the ROI. The journey of RayBo began in collaboration with NATO Dinco in 2013. NATO Dinco began selling UV conversion POE film to Chozo Industries since 2015 in Japan. Over the years, we at Cybrid has refined the technology, ensuring it meets the highest standard of performance and reliability. We have exclusive right for the commercialization of RayBo UV conversion film under a license from Chozo Industry, which is the patented by the patent number you can see on the screen. The light conversion agent is having excellent stability in 50 years, even in hard UV conditions. After prolonged exposure equivalent to 50 years, only 2% of the light conversion agent is lost. This means the encapsulant continue to deliver high efficiency and durability even under extreme condition. Due to proper concentration of UV conversion agent, there is nearly no decay of transmissions in UV band even after 1200 kilowatt hour radiation under 60 watt per meter square xenon lamp. The graph here demonstrates how RayBo transmittance remain stable over time, ensuring consistency in the overall output. If you like technical details about this test, you can drop the questions in the chat support. Let's talk about the damp heat part. So RayBo has been rigorously tested under damp heat conditions. More than 2,500 hours of exposure, it shows less than 10% degradation in the light conversion ability, uh, which is proving its resistance in high humidity environmental, like in coastal areas. So it's not just we developed the RayBo film and not yet tested. The effectiveness of RayBo has been verified through independent testing. TUV and Shanghai Jiatong University with Cybrid verified the RayBo effectiveness on Tier 1 TOPCon modules. The UL body has certified Cybrid RayBo to be a module encapsulant. These tests and results highlight RayBo's superior ability to protect against UVID, ensuring the long-term reliability and efficiency of TOPCon module in harsh environment. These are a couple of screenshots, just a screenshot of these test reports. Okay, so for better understanding, it's important to look back at the challenges we already tackled in HGT technology. Degradation issue caused by UV light exposure were first observed in HGT modules, particularly due to their passivation layers. Now, similar challenges are being seen in TOPCon technology, where UVID affects module efficiency and reliability. For HGT modules, RayBo provides a power gain of 1.5% per module. The slide graph is showing comparison of RayBo with traditional transparent UV cut film. Transparent film offer higher output but are less durable, while UV cut films are durable but not with high output. RayBo strikes the perfect balance, delivering both reliability as well as performance. So 1.5% we can get more in HGT module using the RayBo films. Through rigorous UV reliability testing, RayBo film has demonstrated proven reliability surpassing industry benchmark by lasting 3 times longer than IEC standard. This exceptional performance ensure long-term durability, protecting module from UV-induced degradation. RayBo film delivers unparalleled reliability, making it the trusted choice for advanced solar technologies like TOPCon and HGT. Coming on the damp heat part, if we talk the damp heat 2000 testing was there. RayBo film exhibit the same output decay percentage as UV cutoff film, showcasing its resilience under prolonged damp heat conditions. However, RayBo film's superior blue light transmissions ensure higher overall module output compared to UV cutoff film, delivering both reliability and enhanced performance for advanced solar module. Let's see here the real-world testing which validates RayBo performance. Module equipped with RayBo continue to deliver stable output even after years of exposure to intense UV light and environmental challenges. The outdoor UV density is no more than 30 watt per meter square, almost everywhere in this planet, which means UV conversion film applied to wide range of user scenarios as long as we add enough light conversion agent. This is why our light conversion film still emit blue light even exposed outdoor nearly 7 years. So we have talked about HGT, but as I mentioned, we are also seeing the same challenges in TOPCon modules. So we are now extending the same innovation approach to TOPCon modules. the RayBo encapsulant ability to absorb UV light, converting it into visible light and protecting the module makes it equally effective for both the technologies. In our current RayBo film, the UV cut performance is no less than UV cut film. Additionally, the RayBo film process enhanced transmissions in blue light, which increase the power of TOPCon module. RayBo benefit extend to TOPCon technology, enhancing the blue light transmissions and UV protection. The data source here you can see is from Levan to 2023 in Cybrid. RayBo is not just protecting the TOPCon module from various environmental stress, as we already discussed this. It has demonstrated measurable power gain also, which is the most important thing, with up to 0.53% in TOPCon modules. Improvement in energy output, this small percentage can have significant impact on overall ROI of large-scale projects. The degradation rate and increase in ROI in RayBo used modules, we are going to discuss in the next slide. Okay, so in addition to superior environmental protection and other parts, RayBo Encapsulant delivered exceptional performance and financial benefits also. Let's understand this considering a 10 megawatt power station. In the left side, in the left graph, basically you can see the degradation comparison between RayBo and two different other type of films. We have seen with RayBo, the total degradation is in initial 5 years is 1%. In others, it's around 5 to 10%. The degradation in RayBo in over 30 years is significantly lower, leading to higher power output. And on the right side graph, you can see by combining lower degradation rate and advanced UV to blue light conversion technology, which has also increased the module power output, the RayBo encapsulant delivered more revenue by increasing the ROI with 9.1%. At present, nearly all the HGT module makers are using our RayBo film, and there are a couple of TOPCon module makers who have started using Cybrid RayBo film like Huasan or Dasolo. Many others are doing the testing like QCell in China. And if you talk about India, all the tier 1 manufacturers in India are already testing the RayBo film for better TOPCon. That's a brief detail about our latest innovation for TOPCon module, but it's important to know who are actually behind it. I saw there was a question, someone was asking that from which company you are. I'm not sure if he was talking from me or other person, but it's Cybrid, and we believe in innovation. Cybrid technology was founded in 2008 by Mr. Wu and Dr. Uno. And currently we are A-grade listed company in Shanghai Stock Exchange and having 4 manufacturing facilities in China and 1 facility in Vietnam. For PV industry, we have a comprehensive portfolio of backsheet, encapsulating film and tape with the manufacturing capacity of more than 50 gigawatt of backsheet and more than 80 gigawatt of encapsulating film. In conclusion, I would like to say RayBo is not just solving UVID. It's redefining the standard of encapsulant performance in HJT and TOPCon modules. Feel free to drop your queries in chat box. I will try to address all your questions. Thank you, everyone, and TaiyangNews.
Thanks, Anurag. Thanks a lot for giving me some time to ask 1 or 2 questions. So, we are converting the UV light into the visible range. Thereby, you are enhancing the performance and you are protecting the cell structures from the UVID. But during this process, your RayBo film will also help to reduce the module temperature, the operating temperature.
Okay, so regarding the conversion of deep UV, or it does indeed generate excess heat, the UV part,
Right.
during the generation process, which can reduce the efficiency of photovoltaic component. But and if we are able to efficiently convert deep UV light into visible blue light, then theoretically this could reduce the temperature increased caused by excess heat. So the answer is yes. We can reduce the temperature because we are converting the UV light into the blue light.
Okay.
And one more thing, because
So the
if
RayBo
we
was
are able to, sorry.
okay. So shall I go on with my question?
Yeah, please, please, please.
Yeah. So, now basically this down conversion film or your RayBo film, it was mainly initially developed for heterojunction because of their UV sensitivity. Now you are also finding an application of RayBo for TOPCon also. Then, how are you positioning yourself for the RayBo film for the future cell technologies development? And as you know, solar is always surprising the industry when it comes to the technology development, and especially on the cell side. So would you like to say something there?
Yeah, Cybrid is committed to staying ahead of curve. And the way we can do it, actively investing in R&D to refine the RayBo film and adapt this to emerging technologies like the coming technologies or the existing one. And the another one, the strategic partnership. We collaborate with top tier solar manufacturers and research institutes to ensure RayBo remains aligned with the industry environments advancement. So by this way, and by our forward-thinking approach, it basically we can guarantee that RayBo will remain a cornerstone of solar encapsulation solution for years to come.
Okay. Thanks, Anurag. I think there could be some more questions in the chat window. So please enjoy our conference. We have one more presentation, and I think we are going to have a very nice panel at the end. So enjoy our conference
Sure.
while
Thank you.
answering
Thank you.
if there are any
Bye.
questions. Thank you.